I home educate. As we grow, we know.
It's I home educate. As you grow, we know. And today we have our English book as we've been always learning. So remember we've gone through this some other videos that you watch. So we're gonna watch about Colin's Year 4 English Targeted Practice Workbook. So let's see a good page that we can learn about. Let's read it. So I'll find some. A lot of pages here. So we're going to learn about this page. It looks really attracting, so we're going to be learning about this. So it looks like it's about organizing non-fiction writing. So basically, these are about non-fiction stories. So a non-fiction story means that it is a real story. Non-fiction means real story. Fiction means fake story. So we have all these stuff here. So let's go and see. These features can help you to organize your non-fiction writing. Draw a line to join each feature with the job it does. So we're gonna do which one goes to which. So the heading, let's see where it goes. This tells you what the whole piece of writing is writing about. So let's see the caption. It's a mistake. So it goes all the way to the description, what is in a picture. And let's see others. So there's all these things that you can do. So I'm going to leave it here and see if you can solve them as well. So now in challenge 2, all planning some writing. Ali is planning some writing about himself. Write each sentence A to F in the correct paragraph in his plan. So this is his agenda, what he's going to do today. On Thursday, I go to Cubs. And I love apple pie. My favorite pizza topping is mushrooms. Do you like mushrooms? I like watching action films. I have a sister and a brother. I am the youngest family. There's some information as well. So this is a very good page about if you're going to say a story. So this will help you a lot. And yeah, if you want to read a story, this is really good. If you want a non-fiction story or a fiction story, there's also other bits here that you can do as well. So this is a very good page about making a story. So anyway, bye guys. It's I home educate. As you grow, we know.
As we grow, we know.